Hello students, today we will learn the next illustration, illustration number 9. See the illustration. From the following information of Mr. Ganesh, calculate his business income for the assessment year 2020-21. On the debit side, expenses, see the expenses on the debit side. Salary rupees 4 lakh, advertising rupees 1,50,000, office expenses rupees 3,50,000, insurance goods rupees 40,000, fire insurance house property rupees 15,000, LIC rupees 20,000, depreciation on motor car rupees 52,000, provision for tax rupees 90,000, entertainment expenses rupees 80,000, cost of patents rupees 84,000, motor car expenses rupees 48,000, bad debt rupees 10,000, general expenses rupees 12,000. On the credit side, gross profit 13 lakh, rent of property rupees 1,70,000, refund of income tax rupees 12,000, bad debt recovery rupees 30,000. See the additional information. Advertising includes the following under that: goods presented to customer 30 articles at rupees 3,000 each, TV prices to customer 2 TV at rupees 17,000 per set, diaries and calendars advertisement rupees 12,000, balance amount newspaper advertisement. Recovery of bad debt includes rupees 24,000 which was not accepted by income tax officer for the deduction in 2018-19. Cost of the motor car is rupees 4 lakh, on which depreciation allowed at 15% per annum. So we have to compute the business income with the help of this profit and loss account and additional information. So now we'll see the debit side of profit and loss account one by one. From the following information, we have to compute the business income. So here we have to compute only the business income for the assessment year 2020-21. We'll see the debit side of profit and loss account. Salary is allowed business expenses. Advertising allowed business expenses. Office expenses allowed business expenses. Insurance which is taken on a goods means it is relating to business. Goods is used in a business, so for the goods insurance is taken, so it is allowed business expenses, so it should be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss account. Then fire insurance which is paid on a house property. Fire insurance which is paid on a house property is not relating to a business, it is relating to a house property, so it is disallowed. So we have to cancel from our net profit. So fire insurance which is paid on a house property is not relating to a business expenses, so it is relating to house property expenses, so we have to cancel from a net profit by adding to the net profit. Then LIC is relating to personal, so we have to cancel. Depreciation on motor car is allowed, assuming the motor car is used for business, so depreciation also we can take it as allowed depreciation for the motor car. Then provision for tax, all the provisions are disallowed, so we have to add it to the net profit. Entertainment expenses is allowed to entertain the, so entertainment expenses in order to encourage the customer if there is any opening a new branches of that businesses, so that is allowed. Cost of patents, so patent is in a capital in nature, so we have to add. Patents is a capital in nature, so we have to cancel from our debit side of profit and loss account, so we have to add it to the net profit. So cost of patent is a capital in nature, we cannot write the asset purchased on the debit side of profit and loss account. We can record the depreciation on patents on the debit side of a profit and loss account. Then motor car expenses 48,000 is taken as allowed business expenses, assuming the car is used for business. Bad debt is taken as a business related expenses allowed. General expenses also allowed business expenses. Next, on the credit side, rent of the property. Income received as a rent of a property means rent received from property. It is not relating to business income, should be cancelled from a business income, and it is taxable under the head house property. But here they have not asked to compute the GTA, so only one treatment we have to deduct from a house property. We have to deduct while calculating the business income. Then refund of income tax. So refund of income tax is not a business related income, so it is not relating to business income, so it should not be taken under the business income. It is not taken as a business income, so we have to cancel. And even it is not taken as a other source income because it is not a income, it is just the tax what he paid from a pocket, he is getting it back. So that is just a refund, it is not a income, that is his right to get the refund amount what he paid more. So understood, the refund of income tax is nothing but it is a amount, extra amount what he paid for the income tax department, he is getting it back. He is getting it back as a, that is his right. He has paid more amount, so he is getting it back. He is not getting it as a income. It is a amount what he paid from his pocket, so it is not taken as a taxable under the head income from other source. Okay, so refund of income tax is not relating to the business income, so we have to cancel. Then bad debt recovery. Bad debt recovery is a business income. It is taken as a business income. If this bad debt recovered is disallowed earlier, then we should not take it as a business income. So we have to cancel from a business income. So bad debt recovered allowed earlier is treated as a business income. So disallowed earlier is not taken as a business income. We have to cancel. So here they have not given whether it is allowed or disallowed. So we are assuming it as a, this amount is allowed earlier. So we'll bad debt allowed earlier, recovered it. So it is taken as a income. Next, see the additional information. Advertising includes the following. So in the advertisement amount, so 1,50,000 is given in the advertisement amount. So this includes the following advertisement. So the one is the advertisement given by using goods presented to customers, 30 articles at rupees 3,000 per each. Then TV prices to customers, diaries and calendars, balance amount to newspapers. So these are the advertisement which is given in the form of revenue nature. So it is allowed business expenses. So it is allowed business expenses. So allowed advertisement included here. So it is ignore the adjustment. In this adjustment we have to ignore. This is allowed one. All these points are allowed business related revenue nature expenses. So it is allowed. Then there is a adjustment. Recovery of bad debt include 24,000 which was not accepted by income tax officer for deduction in 2018-19. So here a recovery of bad debt. So out of total bad debt, 24,000 is the bad debt which was not accepted by the income tax officer for deduction in the 2018-19. So in an earlier year, in the year 2018-19, so income tax department was not accepted to deduct the bad debt, means it is a disallowed bad debt. It is a disallowed earlier. They have given the sentence, change in the sentence, not accepted, which was not accepted by the income tax officer for the deduction in 2019-19, means it is a disallowed bad debt earlier. Disallowed earlier. It is a disallowed earlier. So bad debt of rupees 24,000 is a disallowed earlier. Okay, bad debt of 24,000 is a disallowed earlier. So out of 30,000, 24,000 amount is a disallowed earlier, and the remaining 6,000 is a allowed earlier. So we have to take only the part of disallowed earlier. At the end of the after calculating all the income to be treated separately, we have to take bad debt recovered disallowed earlier. So the portion of the disallowed earlier, how much? 24,000. This one we have to deduct while calculating the business income. So it is not taken as a business income, so we have to exclude. Next, cost of motor car is rupees 4 lakh, on which depreciation allowed at 15%. So the motor car cost is 4 lakh. They have recorded depreciation 52,000. We have to calculate what is the actual depreciation. That is 4 lakh into 15%. We have to calculate. So if there is any changes in the depreciation amount, then we have to do the treatment like. We'll see the later while calculating the solution. Next, there is no depreciation relating to patent is given. So actually the depreciation on patents also we have to charge. Here depreciation given is only for motor car. So here cost of patent is given. So for the patents, patent is disallowed, we can record only the depreciation. So under the allowable depreciation not allowed so far, we have to take the depreciation on patents. So as per the section 32 of a income tax rule, for the patents depreciation can charge is at 25%. So 84,000 into 25% depreciation we have to charge. Assuming here the date of purchase of this patent is not given. So assuming this asset is used in the business for more than 180 days, so we'll charge full depreciation. So now we'll work out the solution. Write the heading computation of business income. So now write the heading solution. Computation of business income of Mr. Ganesh for the assessment year 2020-21. So 3 columns, particulars and 2 amount column. So start from the net profit as per profit and loss account. So Net profit as per profit and loss account is equal to how much? The given here is 1,61,000. So 1,61,000. Next is we have to add the disallowed expenses. So we'll take one by one. So the first one is salary allowed. Advertising expenses include the sum of the advertising which is in the form of revenue nature, so it is taken as allowed. So allowed advertisement included here, so it should be there here in the debit side of profit and loss account. If there is any disallowed expenses included, then we have to cancel. Then office expenses is relating to business, it is allowed. Insurance here the insurance is taken on goods, means relating to business, it is allowed. Fire insurance on house property is relating to house property, is not relating to business, so we have to disallow. Fire insurance on house property is disallowed. So amount is rupees 15,000. Next, LIC is relating to personal purpose, so it is not relating to business, so we have to cancel LIC of rupees 20,000. Next, depreciation on motor car is given 52,000. So actual depreciation we have to calculate. So the cost of motor car is rupees 4 lakh. Motor car cost is rupees 4 lakh into, as per the IT rule, the depreciation on motor car is 15%, and assuming the motor car is used for more than 180 days, so the depreciation is 4 lakh into 15% is equal to, so 4 lakh into 15% is equal to rupees 60,000. So actual depreciation is 60,000, but they have recorded 52,000. So they have recorded 52,000 depreciation here. Actual depreciation is 60,000. So now we can cancel this depreciation and we can record 60,000 as allowable depreciation not allowed so far. Or we can do one adjustment, is like we can add this amount 52,000 depreciation on motor car under disallowed expenses. So this is not a depreciation amount. We have to follow the depreciation what is as per the income tax rule. So that is 60,000. So one option is we can cancel by adding 52,000, and next under the allowable depreciation not allowed so far we can write 60,000. Or one more option we have here, there is a they have recorded 52,000, still more 8,000 depreciation we have to record. So under the allowable depreciation not allowed so far we can record 8,000 depreciation. So one option is we cancelling, deleting 52,000 and recording 60,000. Deleting 52,000 and recording 60,000, or recording 8,000. So two options. One is deleting 52,000 and recording 60,000. So this is the first option, means 60,000 is recorded on the debit side. Second option is not cancelling this. This will be in the profit and loss account only 52,000, but we are recording only 8,000, the remaining part 8,000. So it means total it comes 60,000. Both treatment will be same. So here this is up to you, any treatment you can do. So I will cancel this depreciation on motor car and I will record as a allowable depreciation as per IT rule, that is 60,000 under the allowable depreciation not allowed so far. Okay, so depreciation on motor car will cancel once, will record later. Next, depreciation on motor car will cancel once. Depreciation on motor car, how much? 52,000. If you want you can write here considered later. Then provision for tax is disallowed, 90,000. Then entertainment expense allowed, cost of patent disallowed, that is value is 84,000. Then motor car expenses, here they have not given that motor car is used for business or personal. So assuming it as entirely used for business, so motor car expenses is allowed, bad debt allowed, general expenses also allowed. So there is no other information. Advertisement treatment over, bad debt is relating to credit side, and the cost of motor car is relating to that will calculate later. So only this much disallowed expenses. So 3, 4, 5 item. So the total is equal to 2,61,000. So if you add, it will be equal to 4,22,000. Next we'll take the income to be treated separately. Now we'll write the income to be treated separately. So we'll see the credit side of a profit and loss account. So here they have given rent of the property is not relating to business, so we have to deduct. Refund of income tax also not relating to business, so we have to cancel. Rent received and rent of property and refund of income tax, both we have to cancel from our credit side of profit and loss account. So that is, rent of property is equal to 1,70,000. Refund of income tax is equal to 12,000. So the total is equal to 1,82,000. Total is equal to 1,82,000. So now we have to deduct from 4,22,000 minus 1,82,000 is equal to 2,40,000. So next is we have to take allowable expenses not allowed so far. So to write this, we have to see the adjustment part of the adjustment. We'll see. See here, allowable expenses not allowed so far. Advertisement is over. It is allowed expenses recorded. Then recovery of bad debt is will take later. Cost of motor car. So about depreciation we have to record here. So actually depreciation on motor car. So we have cancelled, we have deleted the depreciation on motor car. Now we have to record what is the depreciation on actual depreciation on motor car. So what is the cost of motor car is 4 lakh. So on 4 lakh we have to charge depreciation is at 15%. So 4 lakh into 15% depreciation amount is 60,000. So here 4 lakh into 15%, this is the actual depreciation recorded. So here expenses is deducted means we are recording. Expenses added means we are cancelling the expenses. Expenses deducted means allowable expenses not allowed so far, we are recording it. So to record we are writing 60,000. 60,000 is recorded, 52,000 is cancelled. So here in profit and loss account, now depreciation amount is recorded is 60,000. Okay. Next one more depreciation is depreciation on patents. So here on the debit side of profit and loss account, they have not recorded about the depreciation on patents. So as per the section 32 income tax rule, the depreciation should be recorded on patents. So that is at 25% on the cost of the value, that is 84,000. 84,000 into 25% depreciation should be charged. So 84,000 into 25% is equal to the depreciation amount is 21,000. So here we have assumed that the patent, here we have assumed both motor car and patent is used in the business for more than 180 days. So we have charged full depreciation. Okay, if it is less than 180 days, then we have to charge 50%. So now actual depreciation is equal to total 81,000. So both depreciation is recorded here. So 81,000. So 2,40,000 minus 81,000 is equal to 1,59,000. 1,59,000. Next we have one last adjustment, that is the bad debt recovered. The bad debt recovered includes 24,000 which was not accepted by income tax officer for the deduction in 2018-19, means it is disallowed earlier. This bad debt amount of 24,000 is disallowed earlier by the income tax officer. So now we have to deduct bad debt recovered disallowed earlier. So the amount is 24,000 is disallowed earlier. Remaining 6,000 is allowed. So it should be there in the profit and loss account. So the balance is equal to balance is equal to rupees 1,35,000 is nothing but business income, taxable business income. Taxable business income is equal to rupees 1,35,000. So there is no other adjustment, everything is done. Debit side treatment done, credit side over. Just additional information also consider. If you want, you can write note relating to advertisement expenses. You can write note, the first note is expenses included in advertisement is allowed business expenses. Then what? For patents, depreciation, actual cost of patent is disallowed, but only the depreciation can be allowable at 25%. Right note, cost of patents is disallowed and only the depreciation is allowable as per the only depreciation allowable at 25% as per section 32, and it is assumed that the both patent and motor car is used for more than 180 days, so the depreciation charged is full. So there is no other. So this is about the illustration.